Bill Bennett again. This video is going to be about exchanging the draw tubes from the 16C collet to the S20, S26 collet. The draw tube for the S26 and 20 is longer than the draw tube for the 16C. The first thing you have to do is completely screw off the adjusting nut from the draw tube that's in the collet closer. There's a washer and a plate on there, but you can take them off or leave them on. But what you can do is turn it up one end, holding the closer in your hand. Slowly let it drop onto the flat surface. Pull the draw tube directly out of the closer. The next thing you have to do is the clamp that does the pushing has to be removed and put onto the other draw tube. By loosening 2 1/4 socket head cap screws, you can remove the push clamp. You reinstall the clamp onto the other draw tube. When you're pulling down on the screws, make sure that the slot is equal distance on each side. The slot I'm referring to is the slot that's between the two halves of the clamp. Then you can take the draw tube, take the long threaded end, put it right back into the housing. Push it all the way in. Take the washer, put it back on. Take the adjustment nut, screw it on. Then the nut can be adjusted when you hook it up to the Haas Rotary Table for the back and forth movement of the collet. So that does it for this video.